Hey guys, welcome back. I just want to set up the problem here. This guy likes to open my bedroom door at all hours and come in and demand attention. And here's the problem. I've got too much gap. Oh, I need to clean that. I've got too much gap in my door, so he can just put his little paws on the outside and open it up. So I am going to replace this latch, but this latch should still go in there. The problem is I need more space to come out, bring this latch out so I latch good. So let's work on that. What do I think? Oh, I've got a 3D printer. Let's do some practical 3D printing. So instead of making a wood shim or shimming out the door frame a little more, taking all the trim off, we're going to attempt to make a shim with a 3D print just to bring that latch piece out a bit. Okay guys, it's done. Let's see what it looks like. Let's get that off the plate and put it up against the door latch piece and see how it looks. Okay guys, take a look. Look at that. Fits perfect. And it's already white. Let's go see how it fits inside the door. I guess it doesn't need to fit inside anything. It's going to go on top. Let's just go check at the door real quick and see what it looks like. But on the strike plate, I think this is the proper term for this. This fits perfectly. Okay guys, we have a good fit here too. Let me see if I can get you an angle from the side. It brings it out. Like I said, I think I said earlier about 2 millimeters. So we can go ahead and screw down our strike plate on top of this and see how that brings it out. Now that I think about it, I might print 2 of these, because another option I have is go ahead and disassemble this lock, put this in there, screw that down, and it'll lift that one out just 2 millimeters too. So I think I'll do the strike plate first and then come back to this one. Yes, perfect timing. You are the reason why we're doing this. Okay, one more bonus tip that I always do when my holes seem to be a little bigger than what the screws are, I break off toothpicks in there to give it just some more wood to bite on as we put those down. You can put wood glue with those also, but that's just one more tip. Okay guys, a quick design switch. If you look in here, see how that white comes through that hole? I want the whole hole exposed. And if we look at it from the back, you can see this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch to this modified version that gives me, I'll call it more up and down play for the latch to catch. That gives me more area inside the strike plate to actually grab the latch. So I'm going to go with a modified one when I put it up. Okay guys, final test. We've got, you can see it sticks out quite a bit more. It's going to be hard for you to see. Let me show you in the front. You can see in there a little bit of the shim showing through, so it's in there, and it does stick out quite a bit more. Look at that. Jorge proof. Jorge proof. George proof. Perfect. Anyway guys, just a quick fix today. Practical 3D printing. And as always guys, tell me what you think you would have done different. What would have been a normal fix for you, or what different fix would you have done? I like using my 3D printer, so this is fun. Another thing I thought of the way I can improve this is just make it the whole area to fill that in as a strike plate, where it was originally notched out, I'll call it. But yeah, I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. 3D printing, I think, for me works. We'll see you next time.